So for the next chapter, it's the methodology. So sa methodology naman, nandito kung ano yung mga materials mo, ano yung mga methods na gagawin mo sa study mo. And research design, kung ano yung magiging layout ng study mo. O ilang replication, yung mga yan, lahat yan ay nasa methodology. So for the next videos, I will discuss them one by one. So for this video, we will talk about the methodological framework. So dito mo ilalagay in graphic form or visual form kung ano yung mga gagawin mo sa study mo. Kumbaga ito yung magiging flow chart mo. So yun, kailangan kung paano mo ginawa yun, gano'n mo rin gagawin yung research mo or ayun yung flow na mangyayari sa research mo. For example, first, gathering and preparation of materials. Tapos plant identification, yung mga yan. Tapos ano na yung mga tests na gagawin mo until makapunta ka sa data analysis, statistical treatment of data, yung mga yan, and yung evaluation ng results. So you must place all of those in your methodological framework. Okay, so now let's go to research design. Ito rin sinasabi ko sa mga past videos ko na paano mo i-layout yung study mo. So yan, here's an example of a research design. Yan. So, meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng research design or experimental designs. And meron yung mga CRD, RCBD, yung mga yan. This is the thing that I will highlight for this video. That it is important that you have replications. Yung mga replications natin, it will give your research a more valid, more reliable na result. Kasi inulit mo siya ng ilang beses. So, as what I've learned in my past years, ang pinaka-minimum ng replication is 3. So, you can go more than that kapag talagang gusto mo yung, okay, para sure na, ganun. Let's go to materials and methods. Dun sa materials and methods naman, dati, meron ako nakikita mga research papers nung high school ako na nililista lang nila yung material. But, I want you to know that mas maganda kapag paragraph form. The materials are blah blah blah. Or, yet, yung mga materials na yun ay pwede mo siyang i-discuss na along the methodology. The researcher gathered, kunwari, papaya seeds, blah, 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 blah. So, ayun, nandun na yung sa portion mo sa method na gathering and preparation of material. So, yun. And yung method, if you're doing a research proposal, of course, sa methodology natin, ang ilalagay natin is naka-future tense tayo. While kapag tapos na yung research natin, past tense na yung gagamitin natin. So yun, always take note of that kasi merong mga ilang research papers na kahit tapos na yung study nila, bakit naka-future tense pa rin? So always check that when you are doing your research paper. And another possible component na iyong methodology is yung Gantt chart na tinatawag natin. So yung Gantt chart, para siyang timetable, para siyang timeline of activities. Diba in my past videos, I mentioned na kailangan naka-highlight or nakalatag kung ano yung mga gagawin mo sa buong research mo. Sa timeline of activities or yung Gantt chart, doon mo ilalagay kung kailan mo gagawin, anong buwan, ilang linggo, yung study, ganun, or yung process na yun sa study mo. Here's an example. Yan. So yan.